ayan na nga mga friend. Titikman na natin, ang garlic shrimp natin. So, kaya yan yung mga sabaw-sabaw niya. Yan. Lagay mo sa rice mo. Diyos ko, Lord. Sa sauce pa lang, sa gravy pa lang niya, ulam na. Okay, let's talk about the ingredients. We have shrimp from Kauai. This is fresh shrimp. And I already got rid of the tip because that's sharp. And the legs right here and the hair that's sticking out. Okay? And we have 2.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. That's garlic salt. That's chicken bouillon. You can use shrimp bouillon too, but I'd rather use this because that's what I have. 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and tons of garlic. That's why we call this garlic shrimp. And also some pepper. And we're also going to be using a little bit of oil. So let's get started, guys. Okay guys, mainit-init na ang ating kawali. So we'll go ahead and put our oil. Not too much. Ganyan lang. Kasi may butter tayo. Okay? Now we put in our butter. This is our 2 tablespoons of butter. Just mix it all around. Mix it, and you mix it, and you mix it. Okay? Mix lang natin hanggang mag-melt. Follow up with your garlic. Okay? Garlic ang sumunod. Okay? We make sure that our garlic is nicely cooked before we throw in all the rest of the ingredients. Can you guys see that? Pasensya na po. I am making it with tons of garlic. This is on a medium heat right now. Yan. Para hindi siya masunog. Ganun. Okay. While that's cooking, we are going to pause and come back. Okay, as you guys can see, we are on the right consistent of the garlic. Luto na po siya. Tignan nyo, Okay, masan apaw. Now, we are now going to put in our shrimp. Okay? Here is our shrimp from Kauai. Fresh shrimp. May isang buhok. May naiiwang buhok. Yan, You don't want that hair in there. Ooh, I have another one. You don't want that in there. Get rid of it. Okay, so we're gonna make our heat medium high. We mix it all around. Okay. Make sure our butter and garlic is nicely mixed with our shrimp, our Kauai shrimp. It's from Kauai, our neighbor island. Okay, nicely coated. Ganun lang, mix mo lang. Okay. And then now we put our seasoning along with our garlic salt. Okay, we put that all in. Wash our hands. Okay, mix it all around. You guys can hear it sizzling. I can. Yum. So it looks nice and orange. Whew. I can't wait to try this. Seriously. And then we will now put our mayonnaise and sriracha. So if you want more spicier, you can put more sriracha, but this time I just put a little bit, and then I'm gonna try and taste it later, see if it's good enough. Okay, going to the heat, make it into medium, nice and sizzling. Okay. We're gonna put a cover and cook this for like 5 to 7 minutes until the shrimp are nice. All of them are nice and orangey, so it should be nicely cooked. Let me get the cover. Cover on, and we'll be right back. Let's do a fast forward to this one. Okay, my friends, it's time to check if it's cooked. And actually, I'm gonna try and taste it if we have enough salt in here. Because, in fact, I'm gonna put my pepper, my black pepper. Just put a little bit, not so much. And let's mix it. Bango. Naimas dati with kilaban. Imitip ngin na ko eh. Ako na ta. Ramanan tayo na po. Tikman na natin. Let's taste it. If we have enough salt in here. Oo. Sarap kaya yan. On top of your rice. Perfect. Super perfect. Okay. And let's pull out one. Mainit to eh. Hintayin ko na nga lang pag tapos na. When I taste it in front of you guys. Put back the cover. I don't even need to put any more salt because it tastes perfect. You get the right salt for the mayonnaise, sriracha, the chicken bouillon, and garlic salt. So that's all you need. So if you want it more saltier, you can always put some. Some people like it a little bit sweeter. Some people use brown sugar, but this one has no brown sugar at all. So I'm gonna shut it off so we can taste it together. So ayan na nga mga friend, titikman na natin ang garlic strip natin. So kaya yung mga sabaw-sabaw niya, yan. Lagay mo sa rice mo, Diyos ko Lord. Sa sauce pa lang, sa gravy pa lang niya, ulam na. Okay, let's try now. Okay guys, now I'm back. Here's our finished product, our garlic shrimp with sriracha and mayonnaise. And of course I have old rice, kilaban. See, this is old rice. Filipino like to eat old rice. Kilaban, imitip na kilaban. Manta yun. So I'm gonna try the head. This is the head. Head part. Okay. Himas. A little bit of the kilaban. Old rice. I have my rice cooking, and if I want, I just want to taste it. I just can't wait to taste it. The gravy with the garlic. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. My goodness, nagimas. See this one? Can you see it? It's the best part. The shrimp is perfectly cooked. It's nice and juicy, guys. Peel it. You don't want to waste any. I haven't cooked this for a while. I'm using my hand. Actually, I washed my hand already. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this garlic here. Tamis, tamis. So, the key to making a shrimp or cooking shrimp is don't overcook it because it's going to get hard like a rubber. This is perfectly done. I cooked it for like, I think about 5 minutes. Let's get another one. The head part is the best. The rice. Ang sarap. Super. You guys need to try this. This is very simple recipe. Easy to cook. It's done in no time. The best part is it's good. Yeah, right. Yeah. There you have it, guys. My garlic shrimp with sriracha and mayonnaise. I can eat too much because I have to wait for the actual fresh rice to cook. I'm just trying to taste it with my kilab bun, my old rice. Here you have it, our garlic strip. There you go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And aloha, salamat po, and it's eating time. Kainan na, kainan na, kainan na.